up, fam? So today I'm coming to you with a burping challenge, y'all. A burping challenge. Yes, I am Sonic, okay? It's been a minute, y'all. I know it's been a minute, and I said, guess what? I'm going to come with a burping challenge, okay? So, all right, this is what you do. You come to Sonic and you get you a Route 44. Okay, Route 44. And get to drinking, okay? We're gonna get this thing. Look, let's see if I still got it, y'all. Let's see if I still can burp. Look, can I still do it? It's been a minute, y'all. It's been a minute. But that Coke hit the spot. Okay, y'all. What had happened was I had to move. I had to move out the way. But anyway, anywho, I'm back. I'm gonna cut it off. I wonder if I can burp. I mean, drink this whole thing. Okay. Ooh, bravery. Route 44, y'all. You gotta get you a Route 44 drink and get to burping, okay? It don't necessarily have to be Sunny because other places have Route 44 drinks. It gotta be a 44 ounce drink. Oh, that ice. Oh my God, y'all. This drink. Can I do it? Oh my God. I don't know if I can. Ooh. I'm halfway. Oh God. So much drink. probably if it was, but mama. Oh. Oh. Whew. Almost through. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm so full. Oh my God. Route 44 challenge, y'all. Route 44 burping challenge. See if y'all can do it. I did it. So, see if y'all can take it down and burp it down, y'all. Make sure y'all let me know in the comments. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, y'all. Let me know if y'all want to see me do another burping challenge. I know it's been a minute, y'all, but I had to bring it to y'all.